Hello kids, let's learn. It is sentences. It is a dog. It is a bird. It is a fish. It is a car. It is a tree. It is a book. It is a house. It is a pen. It is a chair. It is a phone. It is a bag. It is a hat. It is a cup. It is a shoe. It is a table. It is a fan. It is a lamp. It is a clock. It is a toy. It is a kite. It is a spoon. It is a bed. It is a box. It is a door. It is a window. It is a duck. It is a cow. It is a sheep. It is a pig. It is a hen. It is a frog. It is a bear. It is a lion. It is a tiger. It is a mouse. It is a rat. It is a bat. It is a bee. It is a fly. It is a fox. It is a wolf. It is a deer. It is a monkey. It is a zebra. It is a giraffe. It is a panda. It is a camel. It is a snake. It is a lizard. It is a turtle. It is a dolphin. It is a whale. It is a shark. It is a crab. It is a lemon. It is a knife. It is a jellyfish. It is an octopus. It is a sail. It is a penguin. It is a peacock. It is a parrot. It is an eagle. It is an owl. It is a pigeon. It is a robin. It is a swan. It is a sparrow. It is a raccoon. It is a cat. It is a kangaroo. It is a butterfly. It is a broom. It is a snowman. It is a robot. It is a doll. It is a balloon. It is a brush. It is a comb. It is a ring. It is a watch. It is a necklace. It is a mirror. It is a jacket. It is a shirt. It is a dress. It is a glove. It is a scarf. It is a sock. It is a jar. It is a helmet. It is a ball. It is a whistle. It is a drum. It is a flute. It is a violin. It is a guitar.